Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would just share with you a few meal ideas for this week. So we're going to start off with tonight's dinner. So all I have done is taken a packet of the Aldi big thick sausages and I popped them on a tray, and I've chopped up some new potatoes, some courgettes, I put on some whole baby tomatoes, and I chopped up some onion, and all I did was popped it in this jug. And I sprayed a heap of fry light on it and then put in a little bit of dried thyme and basil and mixed it all up with the wooden spoon to get it all coated. And then I've popped it on this tray and I'm about to pop it into the oven for, I think, probably about 20 minutes at, probably longer than that, maybe 20 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees, and that's in the fan oven. So I'll show you what it looks like once we've got it plated up. So, total YouTuber fail from Amy. I forgot to film our dinner plated up. But this is what it looked like. This is what's left on the tray. This is what it looked like once it was all cooked, and it was absolutely delicious. And you could add a little bit of gravy to this if you wanted, just so that it wasn't quite as dry. Tonight we are having chicken salad. I have lettuce, cucumber, grated carrot, some chicken which I pan fried with some garlic powder and black pepper. And I used some fry light to fry that in the pan, and also some new potatoes. And I'm going to try some of this dressing. It's the Co-op low-fat Caesar dressing. And, oh, I forgot to put some beetroot on. I'm going to have some beetroot on the side as well. So this is the girls' dinner this evening. They're having chicken salad as well, same as us. Caitlin has the pan-fried chicken with new potatoes, grated carrot, lettuce and cucumber. And Elle has the same, but she's also got some hummus because she likes hummus, and some beetroot. And that is their dinner, and there is loads of extra salad and chicken and potatoes, so if they want any more they can come back, but I'd rather set them off with a small portion so it doesn't seem so overwhelming for them. And Andrew is having the same, and so are the girls. Tonight for dinner we are having homemade bolognese with spaghetti and garlic bread. So this is Andrew's, mine, Elle's and Caitlin's. Oh, I've got cheese. Hang on, I'll get cheese. Tonight's dinner is homemade pizza with a baked potato with a little bit of butter on, some salad and beetroot. Tonight we are having chicken fajitas made by Andrew. We've got chicken and peppers, and is there onions in there?
No, I forgot again.
Okay, just peppers. And some salsa with wraps. There's also some nachos I see, and some grated cheese.
No, that's not, that's wrap.
That's wrapped. You just got some chicken in your hair. Okay. Is it good, Caitlin? Yeah?
Oh, your chicken just fell down your tongue.
Oh no. Okay, did you help Caitlin? What did you do?
Crisps and peppers.
3rd of July, history was made.
Caitlin helped make dinner. What did you do with the crisps and the peppers, Caitlin?
Cut them and put them in a bowl.
You cut crisps?
Oh, well done. Quick dinner tonight, we are having lasagna with spinach and cucumber, beetroot and some garlic bread. That is mine, Andrew's and Elle's. Caitlin is at her dad's this weekend, and there's still plenty lasagna left and plenty garlic bread for seconds. And that is our dinner this evening. Tonight we're having pan-fried chicken, and I've just used this seasoning, which we've not had before, but it looks really yummy, and some fried onions, some wilted spinach, and some new potatoes. And I actually cooked the new potatoes in a little bit of chicken stock for flavour. So this is my plate. This one's Andrew's, and this is Elle's. Tonight we are having homemade chicken curry. It's got onions, cauliflower, chickpeas, and chicken in it. And we're going to be having it with rice and naan bread. So we're all eating at different times tonight. It's just me and Elle at the moment because Caitlin's out with a friend and Andrew's out at running tonight. So this is Elle's and mine. I'm trying to eat a small portion because I'm slimming at the moment, but I will probably end up going back for more. But I'm starting off with a small portion. So this is Elle's and mine. So tonight for dinner we are having steak pie with boiled potatoes and carrots. We have Andrew's, mine, Caitlin's and Elle's, and Elle has a great big bit of salad cream at the side because she loves salad cream with everything. And that's tonight's dinner. Tonight for dinner we are having chili con carne. I cooked the chili up yesterday in a video I've done on batch cooking. So I've just reheated the chili and I'm serving it with rice. This is Caitlin, she's having hers with rice and nachos. The actual chili has in onions, sweet corn, kidney beans, and loads of spices and things. And this is Elle's. She's having hers with nachos as well, and also some cheese and some quark, which is sort of a sour cream substitute. So Andrew has made dinner this evening, which is such a treat because normally I make dinner, and he has done hot dogs with onions and homemade wedges, and they look absolutely delicious and I can't wait to get stuck in. So thank you, Andrew.
Mummy, go upside down.
Are you excited to have your hot dog? Yeah, yummy,
Oh,
yummy.
wow.
Take it to
What do you think, Daddy?
Thank you.
Pick it up. Careful.
Tonight's dinner is creamy mushroom pasta. I just fried off some mushrooms with some butter and garlic, and then I added a little bit of chicken stock and reduced that down, and then added some cream, and then I've mixed that through pasta, and it was really delicious.